Even after your phone is no longer receiving firmware updates, Google is continuing to add new features, squash bugs, and fix security issues within the Android file system. These updates are rolled out via Google Play System Updates, which was recently renamed to Google System Services Updates. And here are all the new changes that are being rolled out this week. This new update will bring your Google Play Services application up to version 26.01, and the biggest change this week allows you to view your Google Wallet transactions from other devices, and you'll be able to see those transactions for online purchases that used virtual credit card numbers. We have a note here telling us that some system management services are going to be more stable, and app developers received a small change that helps them support location and context-related processes in their applications. This week, you'll also see the Google Play Store app receive an update to version 49.7, and the only change listed here this week mentions how users will be able to select from multiple prizes instead of receiving a single one. Now, sadly, there aren't any more specific details that tell us which prizes this is talking about, nor does it mention if third-party developers are going to be hosting various in-game events for these types of prizes. Then again, they could be talking about the weekly Google Play Points Perks prize that you get. So, if anyone has been able to figure out what prizes they are talking about here, then please share those details in the comment section below. I've just got to ask that you give this video a like so that YouTube knows to show it to more people. And then please share it on your favorite social media platforms too, because that really goes a long way to helping this channel grow.